What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is quickly gaining a lot of ground in the current technological era. There are numerous merits that come from going in this direction. Large companies like Amazon and Google have taken their operations to the cloud already. In light of this, it is important to know what it entails and why it is the next big thing. Indeed, cloud computing is as a result of the evolution of the internet. Having said this, it is important to put your mind around this concept to really understand it. The following information gives you insightful facts about what cloud computing is and components thereof. The definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is simply the assignment of a wide array of applications to a designated server that is outside your personal computer. This special server is able to hold all your software, hardware, and any other applications that are necessary to run your company or business. In the cloud, companies are able to store vital data, access word processors remotely, use email services, and the like. Complex database applications will also be accessed in the cloud. In other words, it can be defined as a one-stop shop for all your computing needs, without having to run heavy applications on your computer. There are specialized companies that have these servers and provide this service to both companies and individuals. Cloud computing comes with many benefits, and the obvious one is convenience and efficiency. Cloud computing companies have invested heavily to make sure that they satisfy the needs of their esteemed clients. This concept is not complicated at all, and most people have already used it, with or without their knowledge. For example, if you have an email account with Yahoo or Gmail, you are using cloud computing because their software is not on your computer. Cloud computing is definitely a revolution because it is helpful and easy to implement. With a web browser, clients can access their information and engage different applications without investing in expensive software or paying hefty license fees to use some web infrastructure. A cloud computing system or network is complex to say the least. However, the following is a simple breakdown of some of the top components to expect therein. The cloud computing system is made up of the front end and the back end. The front end is the interface that the client or the user will see when they are accessing information or data from the cloud. The back end is composed of various programs and applications which are stored in a dedicated server. Some clients can choose to get services of a private or public cloud. Some will go for a hybrid cloud. This basically means that they can access their data as per their own definitions to allow access to those who are permitted. There are certain vital protocols that the system follows to deliver the right result. Additionally, the software used in the cloud is special, and it is referred to as middleware. Cloud computing is becoming more and more popular in society. The companies that provide this service must have essential systems that create backups in a bid to store or process data properly for clients. Being in the cloud is soon going to become a requirement for businesses who want to save money while retaining a seamless flow of work in their organizations.
Subscribe now.